Welcome back to Torque Update, where elegance meets electrification. Today we're diving into the 2026 Mazda 6e, Mazda's all-electric resurrection of the beloved 6 sedan. Now reborn as a stylish liftback EV built to take on rivals like the Tesla Model 3 and BMW i4. The Mazda 6e feels like Mazda's most refined EV yet. It combines a sleek, emotional Kodo styling with modern electric refinement and rear-wheel drive dynamics. It's not trying to be the fastest EV, but rather the most beautifully balanced and driver-centric one in the segment. Mazda's designers have clearly embraced soul of motion with the 6e. Its shape is a flowing fastback with frameless doors, hidden handles, and an active rear spoiler to boost efficiency and stylish impact. The front grille is a futuristic LED frame design with animated lights that gently pulse when charging, and 19-inch wide-spoke wheels complete the athletic stance. Subtle cues like a low roof line, crisp body lines, and a short rear deck give it coupe-like elegance with added practicality. Inside, Mazda has gone full EV modern. The 6e features a floating center console, two-tone upholstery in Takumi or Takumi Plus trim levels, and a premium feel suited to executive buyers. A 14.6-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, while a 10.2-inch digital driver display and optional augmented reality head-up display offer crystal-clear information. Cloud-based navigation, OTA software updates, and wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto keep the experience seamless. Mazda offers two rear-wheel drive electric drivetrain options. The standard variant has a 68.8 kilowatt-hours LFP battery and an electric motor outputting approximately 258 horsepower and 320 newton-meters of torque. It supports up to 200 kilowatts fast charging, going from 10% to 80% in about 22 minutes, and delivers up to 300 miles range with 0 to 62 miles per hour time of roughly 7.6 seconds. The long-range version steps up to an 80 kilowatt-hour NMC battery, slightly lower output at 241 horsepower, and offers 345 miles range. Charging is capped at around 95 kilowatts, so full 10 to 80% charge takes about 45 minutes, with 0-62 mph time of 7.8 seconds. Top speed is around 175 kilometers per hour, 109 miles per hour, for both. Both versions feature rear-wheel drive, and Mazda claims precise handling characteristics inspired by its Jinba Tai philosophy. Safety includes 9 airbags, a head-up display, and Level 2 semi-autonomous driving features. Cargo capacity is 330L in the rear plus 70L front trunk, totaling around 400L. Mazda formally unveiled the 6e at the Brussels Motor Show in January 2025 and begins European sales in mid-2025, with UK delivery starting early 2026. It is positioned as Mazda's comeback to pure EVs after discontinuing the MX-30 EV. Expected starting price is below £40,000 in the UK and roughly $50,000 in markets like Indonesia. The 2026 Mazda 6e is Mazda at its most harmonious. Impressive styling, thoughtful EV engineering, and rear-wheel drive dynamics. It won't break acceleration records, but offers standout style, efficiency, daily usability, and the soul Mazda drivers crave. Whether you prioritize range or a more engaging feel, it delivers both with flair. If this look at the 2026 Mazda 6e caught your eye, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the bell, and subscribe to Torque Update for more sleek EV starts, timely innovations, and pure Mazda motion. Let us know in the comments, which battery would you pick, standard or long range? See you next time.